Hello, in this video, we will learn about MUM. MUM is basically the Multitask Unified Model. It was launched in May 2021, and it is 1,000 times more powerful than BERT. Its focus is on semantic and context-based search. The purpose of creating this is so that Google can understand and process complex queries through it. In addition, MUM supports multiple languages, up to 75. Furthermore, Google uses it to analyze text, images, videos, and audio. Before this model, Google used different types of models for different things. But now, this model is one powerful model for everything. Now, Google handles indexing through it. It also handles the process of finding new information and ranking search results. The benefit Google gained from MUM is that its efficiency has been boosted. The search process is now faster and more efficient. Now, Google can provide better results without needing extra computing power. Moreover, a major characteristic of MUM is that it is multi-language and multi-model. This model can understand 75 languages. Furthermore, it doesn't just handle text, it also handles images, videos, and audio. Additionally, there is a better understanding of complex queries. No matter how difficult or long a query is, Google MUM now understands those difficult and lengthy queries that were previously very hard to comprehend. It grasps their real intent. Moreover, it can handle open-ended conversations, making you feel like Google is an intelligent friend you are talking to. Now, what will be its impact on SEO? The multi-model data on your pages, meaning video and audio, will receive more preference. If you look at articles nowadays, the articles are often entirely in audio form. This has happened because of these models. Now, articles that have multiple media types get more preference. Additionally, there is a greater reliance on semantic databases, such as knowledge graphs, which are connected for fact-checking. As I just mentioned, it helps content validation using authority and trust signals. SEOs will have to focus on reliable sources and quality content. Furthermore, creating a multi-language website using the hreflang tag will also be very beneficial. You will be able to gain high-quality traffic from other countries. SEOs will have to evolve further because of MUM. You will need to focus on topics, entities, and user intent instead of keywords. You will also need to focus on NLP and natural language context. You will need to create content that covers the user journey. For example, let's say someone wants to know about SEO. What will be the first question in their mind? What is SEO? They will learn about that, and then the next section will come up. How does SEO work? It will explain how SEO functions. After that, who offers SEO services? The content will be expanded in this manner by focusing on the user. Additionally, if you use diverse content, text, images, videos, audio, and so on, you will get a ranking boost. You should also create content for multiple languages. Next, content should not be superficial. Google now understands the relationship between words much better. It understands the context and the intent behind searches, so content should be improved accordingly. A very excellent strategy for MUM is to create topical maps focused on your central entity. For example, let's say the entity is Mount Fuji. Activities, history, and significance, these are different things related to it. This is the official Google MUM blog, and here you can see that it understands entities, which entities are mentioned, and what the user's intent is behind the query. Next is the elimination of language barriers. Multiple languages can be easily understood, understanding information across types. Since this is a multi-model, it can accept various types of input. This means that previous models, YAMLs, relied on text input. This is a model that can also listen to audio, take images as input, and take video as input. Because of this, it is more powerful and unique than others. For instance, here shoes are shown. You can show these to MUM and ask, can I climb a mountain using these shoes? It will tell you whether you can climb or not.